Working with machinery is essential for many jobs, but the release of unexpected energy can be deadly. Lockout, Tagout, or LOTO is your first line of defense to prevent hazardous energy incidents. At OSHA Education School, our Lockout, Tagout programs and procedures course teaches you everything you need to know about safely de-energizing equipment during maintenance. Understanding hazardous energy sources, key steps for applying and removing locks and tags, group lockout and shift change protocols, annual inspection and compliance requirements, emergency procedures for LOTO. You'll learn to identify sources of hazardous energy, follow specific lockout, tagout steps, and understand emergency protocols to ensure everyone on site is safe. Our course also covers group lockout procedures, shift change protocols, and the annual inspections required to keep LOTO systems compliant and effective. By completing this course, you'll reduce the risk of accidental energy release, protect your coworkers, and meet OSHA compliance standards. Plus, you'll earn a certificate upon completion, proving your expertise in lockout, tagout procedures. This training is essential for anyone performing maintenance, repairs, or involved in equipment safety management. Don't leave safety to chance. Click the link in the description to enroll now. Complete the Lockout, Tagout course and get certified today.